Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video. So stylish and most demanding collection of Pixie haircut in short hair. With beautiful hair dye, very attractive and stylish hairstyling, and many much more beautiful and latest ideas of Pixie haircut in short hair with beautiful hair dye hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut in Pixie. Some ideas layered, deep layered. Some ideas step, undercut, and choppy haircut, notching haircut. So beautiful collection with bang, chin length bang, nose length bang, and many much more beautiful ideas of hair dye. Very attractive hair dye, blonde color. Some ideas in burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Ash color. And very stylish ideas of funky colors. And very beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in burgundy color, in funky colors, in ash color. And very attractive ideas of hairstyling. Fine hair hairstyle. Wavy curly hairstyling. And so attractive ideas of natural wavy hair, and some ideas make curl with color. Spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut. And so stylish ideas of messy hairstyle. And overall collection very stylish and latest in Pixie in short hair with beautiful hair dye hairstyling for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll be come with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friend, thank you so much. You are watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.